we're going to do this little chicken nugget.
Is that Ike?
No, is this Ike? Is Ike the biggest one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's his name?
Furu, pine, and Norwegian.
Furu, pine, and Norwegian. Okay.
Do you name them all too? Yeah.
She and the girls decide together, I think, pretty much. I
There
let
we
them.
go.
I don't have
Oh,
to be
you
involved.
stretching out now, buddy.
I know. I don't have to be I don't have to be involved in that. You can decide that. Whole body stretching when you did that.
This
Oh,
one's got,
that's good.
this one's got a little bit of counter rotation in the occiput. That's sometimes more what you'll see when they have a head tilt, because they'll be, so the occiput is flexion extension, and the atlas is, you know, more side to side and rotation.
Can you show me the flexion extension again? Yeah, there we go.
Flexion
Sorry, I wasn't
extension.
thinking. I wanted to
Yeah.
get this on video.
So if their atlas is a little bit stuck and their occiput is stuck, it'll put their head in this kind of locked like this. Depending on which side it is.
Right.
Okay. So he's got a little bit of that. We call it counter. Whenever there's two segments in a row that have opposite subluxations, one's going one way, the other's going the other way, we call that a counter rotation. There. Your breath stinks. All right, now this guy, he had opposite in his lower, so his lower was in pattern with the occiput. So that is indicative that the occiput was a little bit more of a pronounced thing, because his compensation pattern is on the opposite side of the malpositioned occiput. And like I said, at this stage, a lot of these things are things that they would grow out, kind of grow out of naturally. But again, if you can put that influence into their nervous system and correct those incorrect tones, because it's really all muscular at this point.
And it means they don't have to put as much energy into trying to correct it. They can use their energy for growth and development like they should.
You're by correcting that. Oh my goodness.
I'm stretching. Oh.
By correcting that, you're also you're turning on the nerve flow, which is what is necessary for healing and growth and development. So they're gonna have better growth and development if they don't have any interference in their nervous system.
Not while I'm doing this video. It's not. He's probably just got off work and he's just calling to let me know he's coming home, most likely. He's so still. He's just the front paw started twitching.
Yeah, there we go. Good.